Stayed in Streaky Bay last night and just heading down the coast to Venus Bay. Check that out before continuing on to Woolshed Caves and a few other coastal spots along the way. See if we might cross the Eyre Peninsula and find a camp up on the other side for the night.
If you get into camp early, there's one thing you just have to do. Let's grab a drink. Beautiful, straight out of the freezer. Get some of that India. parked up on this beach on the eastern side of the Eyre Peninsula for the last couple of nights. One more night tonight before I head off. But I thought I'd take the chance to go through the Tanami, point out a few things and I guess general thoughts on it. Yeah. So it's set up on the F truck on a Gen Y drop hitch. Obviously it doesn't actually need it, though without the Gen Y it's very close to the rear bumper, so I'm happy to have it a little bit further away just for connecting and disconnecting and that sort of thing. It gives a little bit more space. Overall, ATM on the van itself is 3 tonne and the tear is just under 2.5, so you've got about 500 kilos to play with, but that's obviously water, gas bottles, the fridge and all that sort of stuff thrown in on top. Comes with a 95 litre dual zone fridge, tunnel boot there, goes all the way through, and you can access this one from inside as well. Another little storage pocket there. Outside, breakfast bar type thing, outdoor kitchen, 3 burner stove, pot drawer, like another little outdoor pantry type thing. Obviously the back does fold out of this. I'm traveling by myself and I'm not a very tall human, so I'm able to sleep east-west on the bed folded up, and it saves me time to set up and pack up. Not that it takes a very long time to set up either. Pop top, it's all electric. Toilet canister on this side. The the gas hot water system. Another couple of boots over this side. That's the other side of the tunnel boot, goes all the way through. Gas storage in this side, and general storage on the other side. One thing to note, if you don't know, you can't stick anything else in with the gas bottles. So yeah, inside, this is the lounge model, not the bunk model. So it's got the king size bed in the back and a lounge with a table type get up in the front. Go and have a look. Milo hanging out. So this table drops down and flips sideways with another cushion over there to sit on top. Really not real sure what to do with the cushion. When it's up, it's just kind of in the way, so it'd be nice if you have one of these and you've got a solution for that. Sing out, let me know. Indoor kitchen, dual burner stove, another sink inside. Like I said, the bed's set up east-west, indoor shower, toilet, aircon when you're plugged into 240. Obviously no 240 out here. It does have 400 amps of lithium under the floor and 600 watts of solar on the roof. 2 120 litre water tanks and an 80 litre grey water tank. Heap of buttons, mains power, the lights, fridge, sig sockets, pump, lights, all the rest of that stuff. Obviously electric roof, as I said, electric step, electric awning, gas hot water system, and the Red Arc Manager 30 screen down there. I do think it's probably lacking a little bit of solar. Not running anything but 12 volt. It still doesn't quite get to full recharge after a day, and as you can see, there is not a cloud in the sky, so I think it's probably lacking there just a little bit. But comfortable van, nice and easy to tow. F truck doesn't even feel like it's there half the time. Electric brakes obviously, and yeah, it's been good so far. Like I say, there's a few little things that I'd probably change or figure out what to do with that cushion is the main one. There's probably be nice if it had a little bit more storage with the bags and that are on the lounge in there. This one was picked obviously, set up to have Milo's bed inside under the table, so He gets to sleep inside, out of the dirt, away from the dingoes and that sort of thing. So if you've got one of these and got any tricks for that sort of stuff, let me know in the comments below. So I've spent the last few days at this beachside camp just south of Port Nell in South Australia. It's been absolutely great weather for the last few days. I'm going to pack up this morning and head up the coast through Whyalla and to Point Lowly, up the coast a little bit. See what we come up with along the way. Just pulled up into Snowtown hoping to go to the bank. It's not even a bank anymore. I even bought my own barrels. What a shame.